Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete iMessage from both sides on Android. If you want to delete iMessages from both sides of Android, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your Messages app. Just open it, and here you have to select the person which you want to delete message. And I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, and here you have to select the message. You keep a long press on message, and then it will be selected. Now you can select one or more. After doing this, you just have to tap on delete icon, then tap on delete again, and it will be deleted. But you just have to take in mind that the message will be deleted just from your side. It will not deleted from the side of the other person, because these are offline messages and these cannot be customized by one side. If you want to delete the message from the other person, so you will need to delete the message from their phone. So that's how you can delete iMessage from both sides on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.